Okay, we're at camp somewhere in central Utah. Don't know exactly where. Doesn't really matter. The famous James Harvey is here.
What's happening, man?
The one, the only.
The one and only.
That looks pretty damn good. Are you having avocado toast too?
Yeah, we could.
Beautiful weather. This is a nice spot. We're going to be heading to the mountains. A lot of paved road today, but that's good. Can get things moving along nicely.